water. You do not want to take down your hair while it is dry. That is why your hair have not grown. When you be taking it down dry. It's today is Sunday, the 28th of June, and it's raining. And yeah, I thought what better thing to do than to take down my old protective style and put in mini braids. You guys, I've not had mini braids for the longest time. I can't even remember the last time I had mini braids in my hair. So I've been doing cornrows back to back. I'm deciding to make mini braids. And you guys look at my hair. Look at the length. Look at the length. Who would believe I just cut my hair? Like how many months back did I just cut my hair? But your hair is still at the same length. And you're on this channel and you're subscribed to me. How? Like how? Look at my hair again, again. If I had not cut my hair when I did, I probably would have been at shoulder. I say shoulder length, back length by now. Like my hair would have been, well, I've really Rapunzel by now. But anyway, I'm no longer going to cut my hair again. So we're just gonna grow my hair, and yeah, I'm talking too much. Let me just show you how I take down. This video is a 2 for 1. I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my cornrows, and I'm still going to be making mini braids again in the same video. So if people do not watch to the end, then it will pay me. I'll be so pained. So please watch to the end and support me. Thank you. First things first, I'm going in with water. You do not want to take down your hair while it is dry. That is why your hair have not grown. When you be taking it down dry, you have to spray water first on your hair. I have low porosity hair, by the way, and I don't know my hair density. It's probably medium because I won't say I have my hair is that full. No, I wouldn't say my hair is that full, but it's kind of full, and I wouldn't say it is low density because it's not. It's not low density in any way. Then I don't even know how I'm going to make this video with this mic like this. I'll probably keep it up, but I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me. Mm. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me clearly because this mic is not sharp like that. Then next, I'm going in with my leave-in strengthener. This is Mega Growth. You guys, have you seen the Mega Growth ads? They're so annoying. What do you mean? My first hair is so strong and it's so strong than this thing. I so Coke cannot go through it. Then I have to use the Mega Growth TV condition. Now Coke can go through. It's so stupid. Doesn't make any sense. Like no single sense at all. And I don't know why they would give such creators. I don't know if they gave the creators those scripts because I've seen like how many creators and they are all following the same script. Like, can you people just let us, if you want us to promote your product, just let us do our own script? Because I don't even think I can't even take that kind of script where I have to be like, oh, my hair is so tough and nonsense. Anyway, now for the takedown. Let me show you the comb I will be using. So this is the comb I would be using because I cannot find my what do they call that comb? Rat tail comb. I can't find it and I'm too lazy to look for it. But anyway, look carefully at how I'm taking down this hair. You can see I'm not starting from here, I'm starting from the tip directly. You can see that. Most times if I don't even use comb, I just use my hand so I can, or for the sake of this video, I know I said I wanted to make this video a 2 for 1, but I don't think so. I think I want to make this, this content. So I'll probably post the cornrows takedown. Then later because I don't even think I can even start making any mini braids today because I don't know how long it will take me to take down these cornrows. But what was I saying? Yes, I talk a lot. I talk a lot. And funny thing is that when you think about this talking thing, I'm literally talking to myself. I'm literally talking to myself. There's nobody here. I'm literally talking to myself. But who cares? Let me shut up and take out my. When there are knots like this, you carefully. Ewo. Look at me, like teaching people. You carefully take it down. Carefully. Ewo. My hair don't tangle. You carefully take it down. You can see that I did not do if. No, I didn't. I'm taking it down carefully, very carefully. You can see that my hair again. Let me show you my hair again. Jealous, jealous what? My hair again. My hair. Before you know now, my hair before the end of this year, my hair will probably be the way it was last year. And this new growth, I think I really really like it. I really like this new growth. Like I don't know, it just like takes so much. Like I abandoned my hair during that exam period. I wasn't taking care of my hair. I wasn't washing my hair and anything. And when I now like took down that protective style I was wearing as at that time, I did not lose a lot of hair. And I'm like, wow, that's really nice. That means I've actually been doing the right thing, and just that little stress will not make me lose so much hair. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let's continue. I don't know if you guys know, but like, I do not like my side profile. I used to not like myself. Okay, I don't up to now, but I'm trying to like be more accepting of myself and things that I like don't like about myself. I'm trying to like showcase them more. So when I'm telling like this, normally I used to be very self conscious about my side profile because I look like oh I don't know, but now I don't even care anymore. I mean, I really don't care anymore. What can I do about it? Nothing. So I just have to accept it and. So if you see me sounding like this and then you feel like, oh, why does she look like that from that angle? Just shut up. Don't say anything about it. Just leave me alone. Thank you. I don't know how long it will take me to take down. Let me check the time that I'm starting. The time is currently 3:58. That's almost 4. Hopefully, I'll be able to take this down within the next 10 minutes because I mean, it's not supposed to take that long. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I totally forgot that I was recording a video because I was watching the season finale of the Kevin Lang show. But anyway, I'm not taking it down and time currently 4:38. So that's how many minutes? I don't know. I can't remember the last time I called, but yeah, that's that. So now I'm gonna detangle my hair because this is literally the best way to take down your hair in sections so that you can like easily detangle it. I'm going to be braiding it back after detangling because I'm not ready to make the mini braids now. I'll make that tomorrow, so I'm just gonna twist it down so it doesn't shrink before tomorrow. Yeah. You know what? I don't think I'm going to detangle it today because my scalp hurts. It hurts really bad and I really do not want to stress out my scalp, so I'll probably just massage my scalp and then just tie a scarf and tomorrow I'll detangle because I really don't know why my scalp hurts like this. But yes, we've come to the end of this video. I don't know, let me know down in the comments what you like about this video and if you're going to be looking forward to the mini braids tutorial that will be dropping probably next week, because I only want to post one long form per week because I don't like the way my views are. So yeah, and yes, thank you so much for supporting. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end and see you in my next one. Bye.